Peace, Bill. I'm Jeannie. We're two do-it-yourselfers who met on a sailboat in 1988. 3 houses and 4 boats later, we're refitting our 1998 Seahorse Oceaneer 55-foot steel trawler, Blue Sky. Welcome to our journey.
Good evening. We're going to work on finishing the walls and stuff in the office here shortly, but initially we're wanting to get some additional wood for the door frames, and we're wanting to finish the door frame up in the forward bedroom so that we can close that door. And so like if Jeannie's still sleeping and I come out to do work, it keeps a little bit of the noise out and gives whoever's in there a little more privacy. And we have doors here and there, and they're big and bulky. It would be nice if we went ahead and got doors up and out of the way. So we're thinking we're going to go ahead and get the frame material and go ahead and put some of the doors in so that they're out of our way, trying to figure out which ones go where. This one here is the port bedroom, and then we have the master bathroom. This is port bathrooms. All the bathrooms had louvers on them. This is, I'm afraid, a rolling door. Nope, it doesn't roll. I don't know. This is good. Port bathroom. Man, we got lots of bathrooms.
We allocated lots of doors for the port bathroom.
Yeah.
So that one could become the forward bathroom.
Bathroom, yeah. Okay, so now...
Gotta cut a bunch.
Yep. Okay, that's it for the evening. We were hoping to get all the way across, but man, these cuts are just killing us. And this section needs a cut here, and then a cut down here, and then a cut in the corner. It took a little longer, and then up here, it's not much better. With the number of silly cuts you gotta do. This is all done. We're gonna put a piece of trim of some sort there to cover that. We'll trim both sides, and of course across the top. Anyway, we are done for the evening. Later. So we're back up the boat. I'm back up in my place of torture. So we got a row to do down here that has to be cut, and then we got the whole backside. So hopefully we will get that all done this evening. Later. And we got these, got that row there, and then obviously the back. I still got to put some of this stuff right here, and then we'll also put some foam on that. But slowly getting close to being done underneath here. Such fun. Later. There is the underside of the 3D printer table. Done. Anyway, we are done for the evening. Later. We are back up here at home. We used Jeannie's newest favorite tool, which we'll show you at some point, to sand these puppies, get the finish off and smooth them out and everything. And now we're going to trim this piece down so we can stain it and put it in there as the door trim. We're just going to do one piece because we want to go ahead and go get the felt in there. I'm cleaning off this cruddy stuff, and it's a slide angle to it, and then we will flip it over and cut the curve out of it.
So I finished staining this first piece of trim.
Close enough. Okay.
Perfect.
We're done for the evening. Later. Good. Well, it's not morning anymore. It's like 1 o'clock. But we went and got more teak. There is a 19 by 8 inch board. It is rough sawn, obviously, so gotta do a lot of cleanup on it. But we got a bunch more in the car. This is gonna become frame wood for a lot of these doors so that we can get these doors out of this closet and go ahead and have them up. It will make life a little easier. One less thing to have to move all the time. And of course, it'd be nice to have a door on that room down there. Anyway, we're gonna move stuff, so we'll walk up to the car and show you the rest of our teak haul later. More teak. Let's go ahead and move them down later.
There's our clown car. How many doors are in there? 5? 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7, 8.
Okay, I have revised my cut sheet. You know, now I have scribbles all over this paper trying to figure out what I'm going to do. So we're going to cut those up in a little while, but first I am going to do a little more work here in the office, dealing with getting the monitor stand installed, and then I also have a keyboard tray that I'm going to install so that I can have both of those set up. And so that's what you're going to watch right now. Later. This came off of Amazon. Max load, 33 pounds, 43 inch max. Wow, really? It thinks it can hold two 43 inch max monitors? Well, we will see. This has 2 mounts. We will set them up and see how it works, because I'm planning to have 2 monitors in here. Later. Yep. Instructions. More instructions. Pre-installation instructions. Win your money back. Well, it's probably past due because I've had this for about a year. Thank you. Plastic trim, packing material, more packing material, sticky pad, mounting arm with its thing kind of smashed in. Looks like I got the white one. 2 of these guys, cables and ties and screws and a whole bunch of things. Mounting arms, monitor mounting arm. Looks like all the pieces are here. Interesting. Arms. And 1 more arm. Certainly a pretty unit. Pretty impressive. Other one. Pad tool. Metal brackets. A lot of them. Lots of tools. More bolts. More bolts. USB cables. Little USB there on the front. Interesting. Okay, so that goes on your desk. Audio connection. Cord holder. And a sliding rough approximation of what it's supposed to look like. Don't have a lot of room. This is going to be interesting. Guess 1 monitor will be way over there. Okay, so this will be fun. So what are the pre-mounts? Instructions show. Let's read them. Okay, so I'm going to try to do the grommet mounting so that it's bolted to the table. And that is what I am going to investigate now. Looks like that's my plate. It goes onto the bottom of this beast. So there are the wires. They're now lined up properly. Let's open the little bag of hardware here. Go in here. Then we stick on the pretty rubber about where I want it. In the middle. Now I need a drill. Box of drill bits. So we'll go with 3/8 for the moment, and we can always go up. Before we drill, I think I need to take off this big metal thing down here. Oh my goodness, how dusty it is. Hopefully I'll be able to put those back in. Center, it's the deepest part of that wall. That's what I'm going for. Max circle. one hole. Okay. Now I see what you do is you take these all the way out. Probably the metric equivalent to 3/8 will be just a tiny bit too big to go through that hole. Come on. Yep. Figures. Okay, well, let's go get the 1/2 inch. That's the 1/2 inch. Now I got the other drill. Maybe it won't die on me. It's pretty. Stick that guy on.
Am I supposed to be up top doing something?
Yeah, see if you can get that to fall on that bolt.
I don't know. Am I on a bolt? I need to look.
Can you wiggle it around so it drops onto the bolt?
Okay, I'm on.
Yeah. There are the 2 lower arms on. The upper arms.
Always like to get pictures of Bill reading directions.
Oh.
It's a rare occurrence.
Yeah. Put that one right there is my middle monitor, and that one can be that way. Or between this one and make that the middle one. At least that's the theory.
They look like alien
Yeah.
from Stranger Things.
Yeah.
What is that? Dagon?
Something like that, yeah.
I don't know. I can't think of it. All right.
Okay, and now we get the monitors.
First monitor. Do you remember that we were going to put my office in here?
Yeah. Cool. Spring tension. It's a little better.
Oop.
Okay, I think I got that one tight enough. Can't move it. Tension piece underneath there.
And push it back. And is that as far over as it goes?
Yeah. Definitely get it nice and low. Now it's
Pretty cool.
very springy, but what I'm worried about is I'm not going to be able to center the monitors. I centered this, and then I realized that because I can't push this back, I can't really put my monitor right in center of my desk. So I'm going to move this over to about
Your
here.
main monitor.
Main monitor, yeah. I like to have one monitor centered, and then a support monitor, and then the laptop or other thing is sitting over here. So what I'm going to do is we're going to take this, slide it over, see if we can get a location where it can be the way I want it to be. Okay, we've played around, and we think a good location for that piece is going to be right there. I'm going to drill those holes later.
Whoa!
Close enough.
Okay, take 2.
And that's the story of our refit.
Go get the monitor.
There it goes. Come on. Doink.
Are you tightening it or loosening
Trying
it?
to add more support, but this one is super tight compared to the other one.
Demogorgon.
Yeah. Okay, go get another monitor. Oh, perfect.
It can work twice as fast.
Yeah. Bend here.
Oh, that works.
Standing desk, 2 monitors mounted. Yeah, that feels better.
Okay, very nice.